Okay, this is my lights out project. I followed the tutorial for it. I find it to be a little bit of a tedious game, and I'm not the greatest puzzle solver, so I'll play with it for a little bit to kind of show the functionality, see how it randomized. The stars are the off position, boxes are the on position. Let me play with it a little bit, see if I can get the solution right away. I don't know if I can. I'm not the greatest at this. Okay. Two left, okay. So I'm not exactly sure if this is how it's supposed to work, where you have one left and it says you win, because I've only ever been able to get one left. Anyway, that's how it determines that that is all. Here's the stuff for the Diagnostic Game Manager, the script for it. Yeah, this was all taken from the tutorial. Here's some of the random values to make it turn into a random screen. Here's all the ones to decide this is how you should toggle it and change it. And then there's the win condition down there. Here's the diagnostic button script. And then that's all.